Hello everyone, I am Angry Bird. We are connected on Gate.io and today I have a new project Eco Candy Drop X Eco Protocol. Share 1 million Eco from the transaction. Candy Drop is Gate airdrop platform where users can earn candies by completing tasks and participate in token airdrop distributions. Now it is launching the highly anticipated eco token airdrop event. You can earn candies and share a total prize pool of 1 million eco by completing spot trading tasks with a maximum individual share of 1 million eco. The event time is 2 July 2025 at 12:10 and July 8, 2025 at 13 UTC. And here is the participate button. Click on it and participate now. Spot trading price pool rules are here, and now I tell you the rules. During the event, users who have a cumulative eco spot trading volume buy plus sale 5000 USDT will receive candy rewards, sharing a prize pool of 1 million eco 1 million eco. And each users can receive each users can receive a maximum of 9 candies, and the maximum amount for a single user is 1 million eco. The reward rules are as follow. Eco trading volume 5000 USDT is equal to 1 candy and is equal to 1 candy and eco trading volume 7000 USDT is equal to 3 candies, and eco trading volume is equal to 10,000 USDT is equal to 5 candies. And project introduction are also here. The eco protocol is based on move Bitcoin stocking and liquidity infrastructure for 2B users. Our goal is to partner with Bitcoin L2LRT assessed holders and institutional partners who need innovative restocking solutions to enhance the liquidity of their Bitcoin assets. For 2C users, we focus on individuals holding Bitcoin or assessed within the Bitcoin ecosystem seeking yield opportunities and enhanced assessed liquidity. Here is the notes, and I tell you the notes. Participants must click join button on the event page. After successfully joining the event, they must complete the event task and identity verification to receive reward. And the second one, notice reward will be issued to users account within 14 working days after the event end with a total rewards of 1 million eco. It is strictly prohibited to register multiple accounts in bulk, engage in malicious volume manipulation, self buying and selling, mutual trading, and other cheating behaviors. Multiple accounts of the same authenticated users will be recorded as the same account. Sub accounts are not allowed to participate in activities. And the fourth one is market makers, enterprises, and institutions are not allowed to participate in this event. Agent accounts cannot participate in friend invitation activities, while other activities are unrestricted. And the fifth one, in case of any discrepancies between the translated version and the English version shall prevail. Gate has the final interpretation right for this event. And the seventh one is user in restricted areas may not have access to all or part of the services, including participation in this event, game, or competitions. For detailed information regarding restricted areas, Please read user agreement also. And here is the risk warning. A user must pay attention to the fact that virtual currency trading is influenced by various factors such as market conditions and policies. The market is highly volatile and price fluctuations are difficult to predict. Please be aware of market risk and trade cautiously. And here is the GATE team, July 2nd, 2025. And gateway to crypto is trade over 3,600 cryptocurrencies safely, quickly and easily on Gate. Take action now. Sign up and claim up to 10,000 USDT in welcome rewards. Okay, invite friends and earn a 40% commission and stay connected. Visit Gate official website, download the Gate app desktop, follow on Twitter to get more bonus, and join our Telegram community to discuss trending topics. Engage with our global community for the latest insights, transparency and security. Check our 100% proof reserves. Okay, here is the ongoing eco protocol unlocks dormant core liquidity and breaks down the barriers of traditional finance to accelerate capital now. And here is the total prize pool, 1 million, and the participants is 6,650, and allocated candies is 1,921, and the event end is 1 day 5 or 49 minute and the 51 second. Here is the join button, click on it and join now. And the complete task to share 1 million eco prize pool. And here is the total token, 1 million, and the individual share limit 10,000 eco, and the share is. Here is the complete task to earn candy from prize pool. Log in and participate and click on it to join now and complete the task. And here is the activity rules. During the event, users who accumulate a spot trading volume of 5,000 USDT eco will receive candies with a maximum of 9 candies and share in the 1 million eco prize pool. And the second one activity rule is spot trading volume is equal to buy volume plus sale volume. Okay, and here is the FAQ. What are the requirements to participate in candy drop? And the second one is the when will candies be distributed after completing the task? And here is the terms and conditions. The terms and conditions: participate must click join button on the event page. After successfully joining the event, complete the event task and identity verification to receive the rewards. Okay, reward will be distributed within 14 business day after the event concludes. Total event reward are 1 million eco and bulk registration of multiple accounts. Malicious volume manipulation, wash trading, self dealing, or other cheating behavior are strictly prohibited. Multiple accounts verified under the same user identity will be considered a single account. Sub accounts are not eligible for participation. And the fourth one is market makers, businesses, and institutions are not eligible for this event. Affiliate accounts cannot join referral activities but can participate in all other events without restrictions. And the fifth one term and condition is in case of discrepancies between translated versions, and the English version shall prevail. Gate reserves the final right of interpretation for this event, and the user from restricted regions will be unable to use all or part of the services, including participation in this event, games, or contest. Okay, for detailed information regarding restricted regions, please refer to the user agreement. And here is the risk warning: user must bear in mind that cryptocurrency trading is affected by multiple factors such as market dynamics and regulatory policies. Market prices are highly volatile and unpredictable. Please pay close attention to market risk and trade cautiously. Okay, here is the eco Bitcoin stocking and liquidity layer. Bridgestock Earn. Here is the Bridgestock Learn launch app, and here is the eco eco tvl 303,088,152 USDT, and the Bitcoin stock is 3,510. And here is the launch app. Explore docs and ready to start. Click in it and launch app. Bitcoin most powerful ecosystem, eco strategy, and the eco trading ready to start with eco. Okay, here is the total value logged, to 73,553,926 is the total value, and the eco points is multiplied 10. It is the 7.7 percentage APY, and the coming soon total value logged is 54,277,760 USDT, and the eco points is multiplied by 3. And here is the coming soon total value logged 685 USDT, and here is the total value logged 1,088,422. Okay, now here is the eco protocol and Bitcoin liquidity and aggregation infrastructure powering Bitcoin Fi on Move, Bitcoin Meos, better on Eco Discord. It is the link of Eco, and here is the link. And now Eco Protocol, we are the first Aptos project to be featured on Binance Alpha, and Bitcoin liquidity and aggregation infrastructure powering Bitcoin Fi on Move, Bitcoin Meos better on Eco. Here is the link. Okay, click on it. And now here is you been invited to join Eco Protocol. Here it is the members on Eco, and it is the members who are online on the Eco. Display the name and click on it, and join the date of birth, day and year, and create an account on the Eco. Create an account on the Eco, and if you have already the account on Eco, so just log in on this account. And here is the candy drop. Complete task to claim airdrops. The total participants of candy drop is 138.9k is the total participants, and here is the total airdrop which are in USDT. 950.2k USDT is total airdrop. And here is the projects. Here is the 7 projects in ICNT and Eco. Infinity. Now I tell you about the in. Infinity Ground is the leading blockchain infrastructure for vibe coders, creating an agent and driven development environment. free from centralized limitation, and the total airdrop of N is 2,400,000 N. Okay, and here is the total participants. 6,607 is the total participants, and airdrop type is straight, and the end time in 7 days 3 hours 41 minutes and the 41 second. Earn up to 12,000 N by completing task. Click on it and join now. Click on it and join now. Here is the ICNT. ICNT is the native token of Impossible Cloud Network ICN, and the total airdrop of ICNT is 280,000 ICNT, and the total participants is 9,090, and airdrop type is trade, and the end in 5 days, and the ends in 5 days. And the end in 5 days, 5 hour 40 minutes and the 25 seconds, and here is the total participants is 9,090, and the airdrop type is straight. Click on it and join now. Okay, and here is the eco protocol unlocks dormant called liquidity and breaks down the barriers of traditional finance that accelerate capital flow. The total airdrop of ECO is 1 million ECO, and the USDT is 46,060 660 USDT, and the total participants is 6,651 is the total participant, and the airdrop type is trade, and the end time of eco is 1 day 5 hours 39 minutes and the 27 seconds. Click on it and join now. Here is the frag, and the fragmetric began as Solana first native liquid restocking protocol and evolved into the advanced frag 2022 assessed management standard, and the total airdrop of frag is 750,000 frag, and the total participants is 10,722. The airdrop type is trade, and the end time is 1 day 1 hour 38 minutes and the 46 seconds. Here is the join button. Click on it and join now. Now I tell you the Blum is a decentralized multi-chain trading ecosystem that brings together a powerful terminal, one of the most hyped meme pads in Web3, and an on-chain trading board, all in tap to trade experience. The total airdrop of Blum is 1,350,000 Blum, and the total participants of Blum is total participant of Plum is 14,057, and the airdrop type is trade, and the end time of Plum is 0 day 3 hours 37 minutes and the 46 seconds. Just 3 hours in the 37 minutes are left. Okay, here is the Bitcoin, and Bitcoin, the decentralized digital currency and the world first crypto asset, has reached an all-time high of over 110,000 USDT. Okay, and here is the 5 Bitcoin total airdrop, and the total participants is 58,700 95, and the airdrop type is trade, and invite end time is 4 days and 1 minute and 37 seconds. 30, okay, 4 days, 1 hour 36 minutes and the 56 seconds. Click on it and join now. And here is the num uh, Numate is the composable privacy layer of the multi-chain. It is a proof of stock layer 1 blockchain that protects user personal data by providing a shielded access hub and enabling shielded cross-chain transactions. And the total airdrop of num is 571,429 num, and the total participants is 32,992, and the airdrop type is trade, and the end time is 2 days, 2 hours 36 minutes and 2 seconds. And click on it and join now. Okay, and I also tell you the upcoming project is Pearl. Pilo is the first token launched on the exterior platform, built with a community first mindset. And उसने नेट बंद कर दिया फाद ने. Okay, here is the mindset. No investor or team allocations making it fair and scarce for every user. The total airdrop is 2,600,000, and the airdrop type is trade, and the start in 0 day 4 hours 34 minutes and 24 seconds. And now we are on Gate Launch Pool FAQ. What is Gate Launch Pool? Gate Launch Pool is an innovative stocking and airdrop platform where users can stock GT, Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT, or other tokens to earn early airdrops of hot and new coins with low entry barriers and high APR. It is ultimate platform for effortlessly capturing market opportunities. Click on it and join now. And the second one, how can I participate? How can I participate in Gate Launch Pool? First, log in to your Gate account and navigate to the Gate Launch Pool page. Okay, and then choose the project you want to participate in. Stock your assessed, and click on it and check the participation guide. Here is the link. And the third one is, which coin can I stock in Gate Launch Pool? The tokens eligible for participation will be announced on the mining page of each project. Please visit the corresponding page of Gate Launch Pool to view more details. And how many tokens will be rewarded? The fourth one is, how many tokens will be rewarded? Early stocking reward is equal to individual latest 1 hour valid stocking amount, total pool stocking amount, multiply early reward pool. And the platform will take multiple snapshots of personal stocking amounts each hour and take the average stocking amount as the valid stocking amount. And the fifth one question is, how are reward distributed? The platform will take multiple snapshots of personal stocking amounts. Early and token rewards are distributed to eligible users. Early earnings will be distributed into user spot accounts. And the sixth one is, when will the stocked assets be redeemed? Okay, after the user redeem it in advance or the stocking is completed, the stocked assets will be transferred to Simple Earn by default. If this option is unchecked, the stocked assets will be redeemed into spot assets. If the amount of redeemed assets is too small and does not meet the minimum claim amount of Simple Earn, the assets will be automatically transferred to spot assets. If Simple Earn does not support the claim of the redeemed token, the asset will also be automatically transferred to spot assets. And the seventh one question we have, can I redeem my stock asset at any time? The platform will take multiple snapshots of personal stocking amounts each hour and calculate the valid stocking amount. However, early redemption may result in the loss of accrued rewards. Please maintain stable stocking amounts to ensure mining rewards. And the eighth one question we have, can I add additional stock assets? Yes, you can increase your stocked assets at any time. The more tokens you stock, the greater your potential mining rewards. However, once the reward cap is reached, you will no longer receive stocking rewards. Okay, and the ninth one question we have, can I participate in multiple projects at the same time? When there are multiple launch pool projects going on at the same time, you can stock in different pools to receive new tokens. Mining rewards of multiple projects, each stocking pool needs to be stocked separately. If you only stock assets in pool A, you will not be able to obtain you will not able to obtain rewards from pool B. You can stock pool A and B separately to obtain the corresponding mining rewards of new tokens. And the 10th one is, what is the maximum mining reward can receive? Okay, the early reward hard cap per user for each project is different. Once the cap is reached, no further stocking rewards will be granted. Please refer to the relevant announcement or mining page for the reward hard cap limit for each project. And the 11th one question we have, will stocking assets in the Gate launch pool impact my VIP level? No, assets stocked in the Gate launch pool will be included in the assessed holdings calculation for hodler airdrop launchpad and VIP privilege. And the 12th one, we have the question, what will happen to my funds if the project is ended early? In case of early ending, your stock principal will be automatically redeemed as soon as the project is ended, and your last interest will be distributed on the hour after the end time. The interest distribution before the ending will not be affected. And about annual percentage rate APR, when the reward coin is the stocked coin, APR is equal to total reward released in the last hour total stock multiply 365 multiply 24 multiply 100 percentage. And the second one is, when the reward coin is not the stock coin, APR is equal to total reward released in the last hour multiply closing price of the reward coin of the last hour's total stock multiply closing price of the stock coin of the last are multiply 365, multiply 24 and multiply 100 percentage. The APR is an estimate and for reference only. The actual annualized return you finally receive shall prevail. APR data is updated early. Okay. Now I tell you the how to participate in Gate Launch Pool. Gate Launch Pool is an innovative stocking and airdrop platform where users can stock GT, Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT, or other tokens to earn early airdrops of hot and new coins with low entry barriers and high APR. It is the ultimate platform for effortlessly capturing market opportunities. Stock to earn now, click on it, and here is the stock to earn now click button. Click on it and earn now. And now, how to join Gate Launch Pool and stock to earn. Log in to your Gate account and navigate to Launch Pool app and Launch Pool web. Click Earn and Launch Pool. Choose the stocking pool you want to join. Click and stock. Okay, and enter the stocking amount. Click Confirm and complete stocking. And the fourth one, view rewards in reward history after successful stocking. Here is how to stock to earn. The snapshots are here for your easiness. And here is a note. Please complete identity verification before participating in launch pool to enhance the security of your account and assessed. And the second one is the stock assess will be transferred to simple earn by default. If this option is unchecked, the stock assessed will be transferred to simple earn by default. If this option is unchecked, the stock assessed will be redeemed into spot assessed. And the third one is the will make multiple snapshots of personal stocking amounts each hour, and you can increase your stocking assessed at any time. Please maintain stable stocking amounts to ensure mining rewards. Okay, and here is the launch pool quick stocking earn potential new tokens. And here is the stocked 346.2 million USDT is the stocked, and the fund raised is 27.11 billion USDT is the fund raised. And here is the participants, and the participants is 5.69 million plus is the participants. And the estimated total rewards is 704.8k USDT is the estimated total rewards. Okay, and here is the in progress ICNT is the native tokens of Impossible Cloud Network, an open, permissionless, and composable cloud ecosystem built to replace legacy platforms like AWS with decentralized enterprise grade storage, compute, and bandwidth. The recent investment by Helium Baker NGP Capital places ICN at a fully dilute valuation FDV. Um, fully diluted valuation FDV of 470 million USDT. The ecosystem is operational and currently generates over 7 million USDT in APR through services delivered to 1000 plus enterprise clients, reflecting a 2000 percentage year over year growth. The network powers over 80 PB of active decentralized storage across Europe and the US with 250 PB plus in the global pipeline with 250K plus community members and 29,000 plus nodes across 140 countries. ICN is setting the standard for real scalable Web3 infrastructure backed by top investors including 1KX No Limit Holdings, Protocol Labs, NGP Capital, HV Capital, and more. Okay, and the total rewards of ICNT is for 20,000 ICNT, and the stocking period of ICNT is her total period is 10 days, and the end time is 13 7 2025 at 17. Okay, and here is the Bitcoin pool, BTC pool, stock BTC, and earn ICNT. That reward ICNT is 250,000 and APR is 2.28 percentage, and the participants is 2638, and the total stocked is 1,007,504.49 BTC. And here is the individual stocking cap VIP 10 BTC. Click on it and stock now. Here is the Ethereum pool ETH, stock ETH and earn ICNT. APR is 100,000 APR 2.15 percentage, and the participants is 2347, and the total stock is 26,303.64 ETH. And here is the individual stocking cap is VIP 300 ETH, and here is the ICNT pool stock ICNT and earn ICNT 70,000 reward ICNT. APR is 91.36 percentage, and the participants is 5,274, and the total stock is 5,268 315.67 ICNT. And here is the DMC which are also in progress, and DeLorean Labs, the official Web3 arm of the DeLorean Motor Company, is continuing its tradition of innovation. DeLorean is introducing the world first tokenized electric vehicle as well as its industry first on chain vehicle reservation marketplace and analytics system. The DeLorean protocol delivers a seamless transparent ecosystem for digitality, purchasing, trading, authenticating, and tracking vehicles, all backed by immutable records of ownership, maintenance, usage, and performance data. Fundamental to the DeLorean ecosystem is DMC USDT, a token that blends cultural significance, utility, and the strength of an iconic brand. Here is the total reward 24 million thousand DMC, and the stocking period is 28 days, and the end time is 22 7 2025 at 16, and the mining end of DMC is 15 days 3 hours 18 minutes and the 5 seconds. And here is the USDT pool stock USDT and earn DMC newcomers, and here is the rewards of DMC is 12 million. Okay, and the APR is 28.49 percentage, and the participants is 4003, and the total stocked is 5,007,2333 7.62 USDT. It is the click button, and click on it and stock now. Here is the GT pool stock GT and earn DMC. 8 million reward of DMC is 8 million, and the APR is total rewards in the last hour multiply last hour closing price in the reward coin last hour total stock multiply last hour closing price of the stock coin multiply 365 multiply 24 multiply 100 percentage. Data is updated hourly. The APR is an estimate, and the actual annualized return you finally receive shall prevail. APR is 3.73 percentage, and here is the participant. The participants is 22,346, and the total stock is 3,011,579.15 GT, and here is the DMC pool. The DMC pool reward DMC is 4 million, and APR is 50.71 percentage, and the participants is 29,679, and the total stock is 318,403 10.62 DMC. Click on it and stock now. Here is the in which are also in progress. Infinity Ground is the leading blockchain infrastructure for web coders, creating an agent-driven development environment free from centralized limitations, built on three core pillars. The first, decentralized agentic IDE, enabling anyone to build DApps, games, social apps, DeFi applications without coding, using only natural language on AI app store for publishing and monetizing predictions, and ink network, a scalable public chain designed specifically for web coders in early 2025 Infinity and 2025 Infinity ground raised 2 million USDT seed round backed by top investors including and the project pioneering a new era of AI native applications for the masses. Here is the Bitcoin pool stock BTC and earn in. The rewards of N is 800,000, and APR of N is 2.78 percentage. The participants is 896, and the total stock is 1038.23 Bitcoin BTC. And here is the N pool stock N and earn N reward of N is 400,000, and APR is 1400.47 percentage, and the participants is 2214, and the total stock is 400 4075.60 4.68 in. And now here is the what can we do for you. Here is the self services, and first reset login password, then change funds passwords, and then edit phone number, email setup, token recovery, self help acceleration, edit Google authentication. And here is the FAQ, first guide, get community center, then buy crypto with fiat, a unified account, sport and margin, P2P trade, futures, launch, hodler and earn, boards, referral, Web3, copy trading, NFT, options, convert, announcement, and gate card, and then pre-market trading and gate pay. Okay, here is the latest news are also here. Gaming optimized layer 1 blockchain cross trading competition is live. Join and share. Gate is currently holding the cross trading competition. Join right and now share the 200,000 cross reward prize pool. Okay, and here is the token. Gate token GT on chain burn for Q2 2025. Gate has successfully completed the on chain burn of Gate token GT for the second quarter of 2025. A total of 1922.789 196841 GT valued at approximately 39.01 million USDT has been permanently removed from. Okay, and here is the Gate Alpha has initial listed token Bonkhouse, and Gate Alpha has initial listed token Bonkhouse. Here is the Gate Simple Earn in 7-day fixed term investment with 150 percentage APR now live. Gate Simple Earn has launched the in 7-day fixed term product offering up to 150 percentage APR with a limited allocation of 20 million in available on a first come first served basis. Don't miss out. And here is again what can we do for you, and the self services: reset login password, change fund passwords, and edit phone number, email setup, added Google authentication, and self-help acceleration and token recovery. Okay, and here is the hodler airdrop. Hold GT and get massive airdrops for free. Airdrop received. Okay, and here is the cumulative airdrops. 127.2 million USDT, and the total airdrop is 45.00k USDT, and the participants is 11.50 million plus is the participants of hodler airdrop, and now the Pul in progress. Total airdrop of Pul is 900,000 Pul, and the participants is 13,306, and per GT is 0.1836 Pul, and the end time is 4 hours 9 million. And claim for free, click on it and claim for free. And here is the eco total airdrop. 1 million. The total airdrop of eco is 1 million eco, and the participants is 11,116 participants, and the per GT is 0.3152 eco, and here is the end time. 2/7/2025 at 15 is the end time, and now here is the Sogni. Total airdrop is 5,263,158 Sogni, and the participants is 13,147 is the participants, and per GT is 1.59 Sogni, and the end time is 2/7/2025 at 15. And here is the ARW. Total airdrop is 1,500,000 ARW, and the participants is 15,279 participants, and per GT is 0.3039, and end time is 2/7/2025 at 14. And now I tell you the frag. Total airdrop of frag is 250,000 frag, and the participants of frag is 14,154, and per GT is 0.0522 frag, and end time of frag is 1/7/2025 at 13:30. And PYN. Total airdrop is 2,400,000 Pine, and the participants of Pine is 15,429, and per GT is 0.383 pine, and end time is 1/7/2025 at 10. Now the stock total airdrop of stock is 492,611 stock, and the participants is 17,352, and per GT is 0.1027 stock, and the end time is 36/20/25 at 8. And cash is 1,081,800 cash is the total airdrop of cash, and the participants is 10,621, and per GT is 0.3530 cash, and the end time of cash is 26/6/2025 at 13. And Lambo, now I tell you, Lambo total airdrop 6,000 5500 101 Lambo is the total airdrop, and the participants is 10,641 participants, and the per GT is 1.99 Lambo, and the end time is 25/6/2025 at 14. And brick ended is and total airdrop of brick is 600,000 brick, and the participants is 8,878, and per GT is 0.2111 brick, and the end time is 21/6/2025 at 15. And here is the more CRT cart. The total airdrop of cart is 2 million carat, and the participants is 12,344, and per GT is 0.6517 carat, and end time is 16/6/2025 at 7. Okay. And Calcify is total airdrop of Calcify is 1,041,667 Calcify, and the participants of Calcify is 15,564, and per GT is 0.1617 Calcify, and the end time is 10/6/2025 at 12. Okay. And now is scat total airdrop is 200,000, and the participants is 3,936. Per GT is 0.1012 scat, and the end time of scat is 9/6/2025 at 13. And now YBD is the total airdrop of YBD is 8 million YBD, and the participants is 15,534, and per GT is 2.32 YBD, and the end time is 6/6/2025 at 7. And BDXN, the total airdrop is 250,000 BDXN. The participants is 16,986 participants. Per GT is 0.0708 BDXN, and the end time is 5/6/2025 at 13. Okay. And here is the MG8. The total airdrop of MG8 is 725,163, and the participants is 22,527, and per GT is 0.1946 MG8, and the end time is 4/6/2025 at 7. And here is the go home. Total airdrop 82.8 go home, and the participants is 18,646, and the per GT is 0.000229 go home, and the end time of go home is 2/6/2025 at 15. And paparazzi is 15 million paparazzi, and the participants is 21,605, and per GT is 2.68 paparazzi, and the end time is 2 6 2025 at 10. Okay, here is the referral. Startup referral carnival. Invite friends to register or participate in startup for the first time. To claim more airdrops, click on it and invite now. First time claim plus 100 stars. Okay, and here is the first one. Invite friends. Share the exclusive referral link with friends to invite them to register or join startup. Claim successfully for the first time, then they will be your valid invite. Click on it and invite now. And here is the earn stars. Stars are earned according to the daily trading volume of valid invite within 30 days. The more trading volume of your invite, the more stars you can earn. Check stars. Click on it and check your stars. Here is the swap stars for share. You can redeem stars for additional claim shares in startup. Click on it and swap now. And click on it and swap now. Here is the swap button. Click on it and swap on it. And here is what is startup stars. What is startup stars? Startup stars is the exclusive reward of startups which can be used to swap extra shares of VIP free airdrop. Every 10 stars can swap one share with a cap of 40,000 stars. To swap shares for a project, you can swap share for as many projects you can every day. Okay, now how to earn startup stars? The second one question, how to earn startup stars. New users who complete a minimum of 10 USDT in spot trading volume within 3 days after registration on this page can earn 100 startup stars. And the second one is exciting users can invite new users to register on gate.io or invite other users to participate in startup for the first time. Both new users and users participating in startup for the first time will be counted as your valid invite. The system will daily calculate the trading volume of your valid invite from the previous day. If the trading volume of the invite from the previous day is not less than 1000 USDT, startup stars will be distributed on the same day. The higher the trading volume, the more startup stars you can earn. Trading volume is equal to spot volume plus futures volume multiply 40 percentage. All users who participate in startup for the first time from this page can receive an additional 100 startup stars. Okay, and the fourth one question we have, how to swap startup stars. Every 10 stars can swap one share of VIP free airdrop. You can input the number of stars upon subscription to claim extra shares. You can use your startup stars when participating in VIP free airdrop to claim extra free airdrops. Can I receive startup stars every day? Our question now, can I receive startup stars every day? Okay, for invite to earn, startup stars are distributed daily in accordance with the daily trading volume of your invite in a 30-day period. View the announcement for more details. The more invites reach the volume requirement, the more startup stars you will receive. And here is the question, can I claim both the VIP default shares or startup vouchers and the startup star swapping shares? Yes, you can claim both of them. Startup star swapping shares are extra shares in addition to your VIP default shares. Or startup vouchers, you can swap startup stars to receive extra shares of VIP free airdrops. Is there a valid period for startup stars? The second one question we have, is there a valid period for startup stars? Startup stars are always valid, but the product upgrade or rules change may lead the invalidation of the startup stars. So please use your stars to swap shares. The sooner the better. And the last one question we have, how many startup stars can I earn by inviting friends? Okay, here's the period, and startup stars will be awarded based on the first claim of your invite friends or their trading volume completed within 30 days following the registration. The trading volume of the invite will be checked on a daily basis from the previous day. If it meets or exceeds 1000 USD startup stars will be credited to your account. The more the invite trades, the more startup stars you will earn. And here is the third point, we will take a snapshot of the trading volume of the invite from the previous day of 00 a.m. UTC. Every day startup stars will be issued at 2 a.m. UTC every day. And the fourth one is startup stars can be swapped for share VIP free airdrop at a rate of 10 stars for one share. Please note that there is a cap of 40,000 stars per project, allowing a maximum 4,000 shares to be swapped for each project. Okay, and the daily trading volume is when the daily trading volume is 1000, the startup charge is 0, and the shares is also 0, and the daily trading volume is 1000 to 3000, then the startup charge is 10 and the shares is 1. And when the daily trading volume is 3001 to 6000 USDT, then the startup charge is 20 and the shares is 2. And when the daily trading volume is 12,001 USDT to 25,000 USDT, then the startup charge is 120 and the shares is 12. And when the daily trading volume is 52,001 to 130,000 USDT, then the startup charge is 600 and the shares is 60. And when the daily trading volume is 325,001 USDT to 15,000 USDT, the startup charge is 3000 and the shares is 300. And when the startup charge is 815,001 USDT to 1,630,000 USDT, then the startup charge is 5000 and the shares is 500. And when the daily trading volume is 1,006,001 USDT, then the startup charge is 6,000 and the shares is 600. Here is the trading volume in the last 30 days. It is equal to last 30 days spot trading volume plus last 30 days future trading volume multiplied by 40 percentage. Okay, thank you so much everyone for joining my live streaming. Thank you so much. It's time to over my live streaming. It's time to say goodbye to all of you. Thank you so much for joining my streaming.